Meaning of flying suit.
Flying suit.
Flying suit.
Flying suit.
Flying suit. A flying suit, also known as a wingsuit, is a specially designed jumpsuit worn by skydivers or base jumpers that allows them to glide through the air like a bird. The suit has fabric between the arms and legs that creates a wing-like surface, providing lift and increasing the wearer's horizontal speed. With proper training and experience, flying suits allow experienced jumpers to soar through the air at speeds up to 225 km per hour while performing intricate acrobatic maneuvers. It is an extreme sport that requires great skill, knowledge, and experience, and can be dangerous if not performed correctly.